And the view we get to work with today is that bad boy. Here we've got the brand new Milwaukee gear out for it. Ooh, how squishy is it? Well, it's pretty damn squishy. Not for me. I'm comfortable. But on the other hand, how's it going? Got lots of room in there?
Oh, plenty.
Snug? Yeah, can I say? It's pretty warm where I am too. Yeah, both touch. Not good. Oh well. So she's a new one. Another successful cat fucking
Job well done.
cat boom done. And I actually get dirty. But I got a shit ton more dirty. Running the new uniforms. That's us out.